Hey everyone, it's Walter Deus here, and let's talk about something we all think about, losing weight. Did you know that many foods can actually help you lose weight naturally? We're not talking about expensive supplements or restrictive diets here. We're talking about real, wholesome foods that are scientifically proven to burn fat and improve your health. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 of the most powerful natural foods that can transform your weight loss journey. These foods are packed with nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats that will not only help you feel fuller for longer but also boost your metabolism. If you're tired of fad diets and quick fixes that don't last, this video is for you. So if you're ready to discover how to lose weight naturally and effectively, stick around until the end of this video. Let's kick off our list with a delicious and creamy favorite, the avocado. Now some of you might be thinking, wait, isn't avocado full of fat? And you'd be right, but it's the good kind of fat, monounsaturated fat to be precise. This type of fat has been shown to reduce belly fat, which is the dangerous kind that surrounds your organs. One of the key players in avocado is oleic acid. This healthy fat helps improve cholesterol levels and increases satiety. That means you feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings and unnecessary snacking. Avocado is also a good source of soluble fiber, which slows down digestion and further contributes to that feeling of fullness. Now you might be wondering how to incorporate this creamy goodness into your diet. One of the simplest ways is to enjoy avocado on whole grain toast for breakfast. You can also add it to your smoothies for a creamy boost or whip up some guacamole as a healthy dip. Avocado also goes great with eggs, salads, or even as a topping for your favorite dishes. The key is to experiment and find what you enjoy most. Remember, while avocado is incredibly healthy, it's also calorie dense, so enjoy it in moderation. Our next food is a spice rack staple that packs a powerful punch: ginger. Beyond its distinct flavor, ginger is a true metabolism booster. Studies have shown that ginger can increase thermogenesis, which is your body's ability to burn calories for heat. This means that by incorporating ginger into your diet, you can actually help your body burn more calories throughout the day. The secret behind ginger's thermogenic properties lies in bioactive compounds like gingerol and shogal. These compounds not only help increase energy expenditure, but also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to weight gain, so by reducing inflammation, ginger indirectly aids in weight loss. Ginger is also known to improve digestion. It helps your body break down food more efficiently, preventing bloating and discomfort. One of the easiest ways is to add a small slice of fresh ginger to your morning tea or a cup of hot water with lemon. You can also grate ginger into your smoothies, soups, or stir-fries for an extra flavor kick. However, if you have a history of stomach ulcers or acid reflux, it's best to consume ginger in moderation. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses that can work wonders for your weight loss journey. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and a host of other nutrients that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. One of the key ways chia seeds aid in weight loss is by controlling hunger. Their high fiber content absorbs water and expands in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. This makes them an excellent addition to your diet if you're trying to manage your weight. They're also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Now let's talk about how to incorporate these tiny but mighty seeds into your diet. One of the most popular ways is to make chia pudding. Simply combine chia seeds with your choice of milk, sweetener, and toppings, and let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. You can also add chia seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkle them on top of salads for an extra nutritional boost. Their mild flavor makes them incredibly versatile, so you can easily incorporate them into your favorite dishes without altering the taste too much. Our next food is another tiny seed that's big on nutrition: flaxseed. Like chia seeds, flax seeds are an excellent source of fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which is known for its appetite-regulating effects. But flax seeds have another trick up their sleeve. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, making them a heart-healthy choice as well. One of the key ways flax seeds aid in weight loss is by promoting digestive health. Their high fiber content adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. This is important because a healthy digestive system is crucial for efficient nutrient absorption and overall well-being. They also contain lignans, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Now let's talk about how to incorporate this nutritional powerhouse into your diet. One of the easiest ways is to sprinkle ground flaxseed onto your cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. You can also add it to baked goods like muffins, cookies, and bread for an extra boost of fiber and nutrition. Another option is to enjoy flaxseed oil, which is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Just remember that flaxseed oil is best consumed cold or at low temperatures, as high heat can damage its beneficial compounds. Let's move on to a leafy green that's packed with nutrients and surprisingly filling: spinach. This versatile vegetable is low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent addition to any weight loss diet. One of the key ways spinach aids in weight loss is by promoting satiety. It contains compounds called thylakoids, which have been shown to slow down fat digestion and increase the production of hormones that signal fullness. This means that by incorporating spinach into your meals, you'll feel fuller for longer and be less likely to overeat. But spinach's benefits go beyond just filling you up. It's also a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and magnesium. Now let's talk about how to incorporate this nutrient-dense green into your diet. One of the easiest ways is to add a handful of spinach to your smoothies. You can also enjoy spinach in salads, soups, stews, or even sautéed as a side dish. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into a variety of meals, so get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy this nutritional powerhouse. Let's move on to a tropical delight that can also support your weight loss journey: pineapple. This juicy fruit is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and enzymes that can aid in digestion and reduce bloating. One of the key players in pineapple is bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins. This can be particularly helpful for people who experience digestive discomfort after consuming protein-rich meals. By aiding in digestion, bromelain can help reduce bloating and promote a flatter stomach. Pineapple is also a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber, all of which are important for overall health and well-being. Additionally, pineapple is a natural diuretic, meaning it can help flush out excess water weight, further contributing to a slimmer appearance. Now let's talk about how to incorporate this tropical fruit into your diet. One of the easiest ways is to enjoy it fresh. Simply cut up a pineapple and enjoy it as a snack or dessert. You can also add it to smoothies, yogurt bowls, or even grill it for a smoky flavor. Another option is to enjoy pineapple juice, but be sure to choose 100% pineapple juice without added sugar. Last but not least, let's talk about a breakfast staple that can also support your weight loss goals: oats. This versatile grain is packed with fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan, which has been shown to promote satiety and aid in weight management. One of the key ways oats aid in weight loss is by regulating blood sugar levels. The beta-glucan in oats slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. This is important because when blood sugar levels spike, it can lead to cravings and overeating. But oats' benefits go beyond just blood sugar control. They're also a good source of protein, iron, magnesium, and other essential nutrients. Additionally, oats contain antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation. One of the most popular ways is to enjoy oatmeal for breakfast. You can cook oats with water or milk and add your favorite toppings like fruit, nuts, seeds, or spices. Oat flour is a great gluten-free alternative to wheat flour, and it can be used in a variety of recipes. So there you have it, 7 incredibly powerful natural foods that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, losing weight and keeping it off is not about quick fixes or fad diets. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle and incorporating nutrient-rich foods that nourish your body from the inside out. By adding these 7 foods to your grocery list and incorporating them into your meals and snacks regularly, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Healthy Weight Loss channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.